Hello everyone, I am Atul Morbali and today is 31 December 2021 and now we have discussed about the set concept in Java. So set is a part of collection framework. Before discussing the collection set concept, we first discuss about the concept of collection framework. So we know the arrays concept. In arrays concept there are two drawbacks basically, that is such as we can store only homogeneous data types. Different data types data we cannot store in array, and we cannot decrease or increase the size of array. That is, array describe the fixed size. To release the size drawback of array, Java provides one more concept, that is collection. So collection is a single unit of object. It is a basically bunch of object. It is based on its architectures, that is collection framework. In collection, using collection framework, we perform so many operations such as searching, sorting, deleting, manipulating, etc. And in collection framework there are so many classes such as array list, linked list, etc. Collection framework provides two more concept, that is queue and set. So now we discuss the concept of set. So set is a present in java.util.package. Set is used to perform mathematical operations on set. Uh, Set is a extends to collection framework, and set concept is used to avoid the duplicate element from the set, and navigation set and sorted test are extends to set interface. So now we discuss about the we can perform so many operations on set. That operations now we discuss. So first is insertion, intersection. Suppose there are two sets. First set contain 1 2 3 4 5 elements, and set second contain 3 5 7 8 9 contain. So we perform the intersection operation on set 1 and set 2. The result set is that is the intersection set. We can result the common element from set 1 and set 2, that is 3 and 5 we have to go result. Now the second operation is union set. The union set is represent the set that present all the elements from set 1 and set 2. That is, we have to go to result 1 2 3 4 5 7 8 9. Now the next is difference. Difference operations perform the operations on set 1 and set 2. It contains the if it delete the elements from set 1, that which elements are present in set 2. That is the three operations we can perform on set interface. Now we discuss about the some methods present in set interface. Add method. Add method is used to add the element in the set. It it represents only two values, true or false. If the element is already present in set, it returns the false, and there are no elements present in the set, same element present in the set, it returns the true. Now the remove method. Remove method is used to remove the particular element from the set. Now the contents method is used to check the particular element present in set or not. Now the remove all method is used to remove all the elements from the set. Now the clear method clear method is used to delete the all the elements from the set. It cannot delete the reference of the elements. It deletes only element from the console, that is set. Now the next method is empty method. Empty method is used to determine the emptiness of the set. So that is all about the set concept in Java. So thank you for this video.